Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Display and Brightness. This is the only built-in blue light control most users need. Once there, locate Night Shift. Tap Night Shift to reveal a simple manual toggle and schedule options. Use the manual toggle now to immediately warm the screen. You're doing this because Night Shift reduces blue wavelengths, easing eye strain and helping circadian rhythms. Make sure to keep the screen unlocked when toggling, and note that True Tone stays separate from night. Once you've opened Night Shift, adjust the color temperature slider toward more warm to increase blue light reduction. This is the key setting for effectiveness. Then choose Scheduling. Manual enables it now, custom set specific hours, and sunset to sunrise follows local sunset times. Make sure to test intensity for comfort. Too warm may distort colors. For fast toggles later, use Control Center. Long press the brightness bar and enable Night Shift there. This combination gives both immediate effect. To complete setup, confirm your schedule works by observing the screen at the start time, and make sure date and time use your time zone. If Night Shift doesn't engage, check low power mode. Turn it off because it can override automatic night shift scheduling. If colors still bother you, try reduce white point or color filters as alternatives, but Night Shift remains the primary method on iPhone. If problems persist, restart the iPhone and recheck settings. That usually clears glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.